Installing an upper processor board. Open the two plungers to the unlock position. Hold the blue handles and lower the upper processor board into the chassis until the T-pins on the inside of the chassis engage with the upper processor board. Move the plunger to the locked position. Fasten the 3 thumb screws. Use a screwdriver if needed. Connect the internal sideband cable to the upper processor board. Connect the right side UPI module cables to the upper processor board. Note: ensure the cable labels on the plugs match the labels on the cable connector silk screen. Route the UPI module cables through the cable clips and close them. Connect the left side UPI module cables to the upper processor board. Route the UPI module cables through the cable clips and close them. Reinstall all the memory modules and PHMs. Remove the processor socket cover. Carefully lower the PHM onto the processor sockets, aligning the 6 T30 screws with the guiding posts on the processor sockets. Rotate the anti-tilt wire bales outward until they engage with the hooks in the socket. Use a T30 screwdriver to fasten the 6 T30 screws following the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sequence shown on the heatsink label. Visually inspect the components to make sure that there is no gap between the screw shoulder beneath the heatsink and the processor socket. Open the retaining clips at each end of the DIMM slot. Align the DIMM with the slot and then firmly press both ends of the DIMM straight down into the slot until the retaining clips snap into the locked position. Note: to avoid breaking the clips, open and close them gently. Connect the internal UPI cables to the upper processor board. Route the internal UPI cables through the cable clips. Connect the upper processor board power cables. Reinstall the following components. Refer to the following videos for the procedures.